Hi there, here we have the 2015 on a 65 plate Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This is the A220 CDI Blue Efficiency 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So starting off with the front bumper, as you can see there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, so nothing untoward. As you can see there is no dents, no scratches and no chips. (18-inch) AMG alloys, as you can see there, once again clean, no scratches and they haven't been curbed. Great service history, and Rushmores have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale with a pre-delivery inspection before the car goes out. Moving on to the back bumper, once again, once I got over, there is no scratches, no scuffs, as you just saw there, and nothing untowards onto the bodywork. It is also HPI clear, so we do HPI all our cars when they first come in. So it is HPI clear. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that's included within the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, but this is something we highly recommend at Rushmores. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down to the office or over the phone, we'll give you more options. So you saw there the exterior in great condition. Let's jump inside the car and show you the interior. So starting off with the dash, as you can see there is no marks, no scratches, everything is nice and clean. Half leather seats, which as you can see there for yourself, in great condition. There is no tears on the leather, and the car has been fully validated by us as well, so it is nice and clean. It is finished off with the red stitching, so around the seats, onto the armrest, as well as the doors, so it does give it a nice sporty look as well, and a nice finish. And then once again, as you can see there, the red stitching is at the back as well. It does have the rear electric windows, the sport seats, so back seats as well, nice and clean. As you can see there, it does also have the ISOFIX for the children, so a nice safety point there. Let's have a look at the boot as well. So the A-Class does have a nice boot space, as you can see yourself. And then let's look underneath here. There is the pump. Once again, as you see, everything as it should be. Let's have a look at the back seats once more. So it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Once again, the ISOFIX. Okay, so moving on to the driver's side door. As you can see there, it does have the front and back controls for the electric windows. Electric door mirrors, so they can be adjusted once you jump inside the driver's seat. Auto lights, it does have the electric parking brake. Multifunctional steering wheel, and as you can see there, it does have the red stitching. Once again, does give you that sporty look, and it is a nice finish. Multifunctional steering wheel, as I mentioned, so as you can see there, the buttons on the steering wheel. It does have the let's start off with the bottom, so climate control, as you can see with the aircon. So in here, that's where your CD player does go. So you can see there the radio, Navi and Tel. So that's for the telephone and the sat nav, etc. You can press the buttons, or it can all be controlled with this controller just here for the screen. So let's start off with nav. So the sat nav, we do have the module. It's not connected onto the car at the moment for certain reasons, so we don't really keep the modules inside the vehicle. So we do keep them in the file, safe with the paperwork on the car. Obviously, once you come down here, then we'll just connect it in. Very nice and it's simple. So audio, you do have the FM radio, you do have the disc. So as I mentioned, for the CD player, USB storage and Bluetooth audio. So you can connect your phone through Bluetooth and play your music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it. It can be done. Telephone, you can connect your phone once there is calls. So say you're driving and then there is calls that come in, you can answer it with the steering wheel just there. Those are the buttons, and you don't have to touch your phone at all. And then system, you have the time and then miles per gallon, etc. Paddle shift as well, as you can see. So very nice and clean inside. Like I mentioned earlier, there is no odours, so it is pet free and smoke free. Okay, so just to recap before we finish off the video, as I mentioned earlier, great service history throughout. Rushmores have done a full service history on the vehicle, so we've done a full service on the car. A new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover that comes with the car. If there is any questions on the vehicle, or you need the finance arranging, or you're looking to come down and view the car in person, I do recommend you come down and looking at the car as well. The car will definitely not disappoint. Please don't hesitate to give us a call, as I mentioned, and thank you all for watching.